what I got here. I put some big lag screws from my 6x6 post into the railroad ties. I'm going to add an additional 8 feet over on this way, 8 to 10 feet, probably 10 feet. And what that will do is I'll be able to put my other 5-foot section on so I can cut up to 21 feet. So on each end I've got the big lags and I got 2 thin ones for the middle just to help keep it in place. I want to make sure this is a sturdy base so when I put logs on, nothing rolls. Once I'll do that, I'll put some rebar into the railroad ties in the ground there just to help it stabilize. So it looks a lot better than the last one I had, a little sturdy.